Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export themes in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now turn on the cycle tool, the yellow bar at the top. So this one right here. You see now this yellow all the way. So what we need to do here is fix it a little bit all the way to the end like that. So we will cover that and leaving room for reverb tails. Okay. Now what we are going to do next is we can slide down here a little bit and now go to the files and to export like so. Now what we need to do, we can select here file type, also okay, file type, so compressed, we can do that. Entire project length, processing details we have here, so we include audio tails, include mastering assistant, include master effect plugins, write song information, we can also do that, and type in here some song title. We have artist, composer, album, movie, show, track numbers, subtitles, lyrics, and so on. So if you don't want this, just put on off. Okay, let's save format as WAV file. So we will go to uncompressed, click on this icon, blue icon next to it, and we will select this one. Then what we can do is bit depth. We can select this one, so 32-bit float, and we can also adjust sample rate. So let's go with 48 kilohertz. And yeah, this is basically what we can do. Now for the end, what we need to do is at the top right corner where you see export button, click on it and it will start the process. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next